And the vanilla is so intense, but it's not like overpowering vanilla. I have this perfume that I got, what is it called? Something vanille, I've forgotten. And like I used the ones, and this guy made me, he asked me if I'm coming from the bakery. Like what? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be doing today's video because I'm going to be talking about perfumes. Okay, I love perfume. So before I start this video, if you want to know how I got this face beat, kindly go to my channel. I have shown every bits and pieces of how I came up with this makeup. Okay, and also don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to press the notification button so that if I upload any videos, you will be the first to know. So let's go straight to the point. So today we're going to be talking about this nice perfume. It's called the Burberry Brit for hair. This is it. Ooh, I can tell already from the packaging that this is gonna smell so good. So let's talk about the notes. So on the side it says that this is a floral perfume. It is crisp, it has sugared almond and intense vanilla. So the top notes in this Burberry is pear, lime and lemongrass. Okay, and the middle notes are almond and peony. The base notes are vanilla, amber and tonka bean. So these are the notes of this perfume. Let's open it and smell. So this is it. Ooh, this is how it comes. So this is a 50 ml bottle. So basically this is how it comes in the package. So this is how it looks. And I can sense it smells nice already. Oh my. Ooh, I haven't even sprayed and I can tell it smells good. Let's do spray test, okay? So I'm doing it on my hand. Ooh. Ooh, this is heavenly. This, I can smell all types of stuff in here. It smells so good. I smell sugar. I smell a little vanilla. And I smell like traces of almond, but like it's like a sweet-ish. I can't explain. And the vanilla is so intense, but it's not like overpowering vanilla. You know how like you get these, because I have this perfume that I got, what is it called? Something vanilla, I've forgotten. And like I used the ones, and this guy made me, he asked me if I'm coming from the bakery. Like what? Sir. So I'm not trying to like have that type of vanilla, and this definitely doesn't smell like that. I'm trying to see if I can smell the pear, okay? But guys, oh my gosh, this smells like it definitely smells floral, but it's not the type of florals that they sell in town. Like, is this like sweet-ish, light, like yummy smell? If you're trying to get it, please do get it, okay? Do not think twice about it. Go get this perfume because it smells so good and your mind is gonna chase you. Don't say I didn't tell you, okay? In a good way. But guys, so this is Burberry Brit for her, and I definitely think it is a must buy. The perfume is so it's worth the money. It smells sugary, it's so feminine, it's so floral. I think you could use this definitely maybe in the spring or the winter, and maybe the summer, depending on how much you like this perfume. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Burberry Brit for her, and I'm loving the scent, okay? So if you like this video, kindly like, subscribe, press the notification button. Is there any video that you want me to do, any perfume that you want me to review before you buy it? Leave it in the comment section below, and let's get to it already. See you in the next video.